Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so if you guys have a check engine light and your vehicle, your car is running kind of rough, you might just want to watch this video because chances are you have a P0303 code. And these days, the only reason why you know about it is because your mechanic told you about it, or you put in an obd-ii sensor yourself, scanned it, and that's the code that comes up. Now, let me tell you guys why you're getting that code and how to fix it. Basically, there are a couple reasons why you're getting that code. All right. And I'll tell you guys what. If you only get that code, P0303, it's telling you that your cylinder 3 has a misfire. Cylinder 3 misfire, meaning that A, either your spark plug is bad, or B, your spark plug coil is bad. All right, it's one of those two reasons if you only get this code. Now, there is a chance that you could get a P0303 code, a cylinder 3 misfire with a bunch of other codes. Now, if you get misfires on a couple of other codes, there's a chance that you probably need to change your spark plugs and your coils on a couple of these codes with this P0303 code. However, if you're getting a code for random misfires on your engine, there is a chance that there's either A, vacuum leak, or B, there's a problem with your engine. But if you're only getting the P0303 code, it's an easy fix. Change out your spark plug and change out your coil, and essentially that should fix your issue. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys.